Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about UI a UX journey map. We'll understand what UI a UX is, what a journey map means, and how it helps improve user experience with a real-life example. Now, let's start by understanding what UI and UX actually mean. UI stands for user interface, which includes design elements like buttons, colors, and layouts. UX stands for user experience, which focuses on how users feel while using a product. So, in simple terms, UI is how it looks, and UX is how it feels. Now that we understand UI and UX, let's move on to what a journey map is. A user journey map is a visual representation of a user's experience while interacting with a product. It shows step by step how a user completes a task, including their actions, thoughts, and emotions. It helps designers understand user behavior and improve the overall experience. This shows a UI a UX journey map, which explains how users interact with an app step by step. It begins with awareness, where users discover the app. Then consideration, where they explore and compare. Next is interaction, where they actively use the app. After that comes decision, where they complete actions like purchases. Finally, advocacy, where satisfied users share feedback and recommend it. This helps designers understand user behavior and improve the overall experience. Let's see why this journey map is important. Journey maps are important because they help us understand user needs, identify pain points, improve user satisfaction, create better and user-friendly designs. It basically helps us think from the user's perspective. Now, let's look at the key components of a journey map. A journey map includes a user persona, which describes who the user is, and a scenario, which explains what the user wants to achieve. It also includes the steps or stages the user follows, along with their emotions at each stage. In addition, it identifies pain points, which are the problems faced by the user, and finally, it highlights opportunities, where improvements can be made to enhance the overall user experience. Now that we know the components, now let's understand with a real-life example of a food delivery app like Swiggy or Zomato. Imagine a user wants to order food online. We will track their journey step by step. The user journey begins with opening the app, where the user starts their interaction. Next, the user searches for food based on their preferences, then selects a suitable restaurant from the available options. After that, the user places the order by choosing items and confirming them. This is followed by making the payment through available methods, and finally, the user tracks the delivery in real time until the food reaches them. Together, these steps form the complete user journey. Now, let's understand what the user feels during this process. At different stages of the journey, the user experiences a range of emotions that directly impact their overall experience. For example, they may feel excited while exploring various food options, but at the same time, they can become confused if there are too many choices available without proper filters. They may also feel frustrated if the application is slow or unresponsive. These negative experiences are referred to as pain points, as they create obstacles for the user. Now let's see the benefits of user journey mapping. First, it improves user experience by helping us understand user needs and emotions at each stage. Next, it helps in making better design decisions based on real user behavior. And finally, it increases customer satisfaction, because a smooth experience makes users more likely to return. Overall, a UI a UX journey map helps us understand the complete user experience by clearly showing each step the user goes through. It allows us to identify problems and improve them with better solutions. By focusing on user needs and expectations, we can design more effective and user-friendly applications. Thank you.